Time to ram some air into this F66 John Cooper Works. So just before I stick this in the car, we'll go through what you actually get in the box. So for those of you that haven't looked at our website already, this is it. You get the RAMAir jigsaw puzzle, including these carbon pieces here. So that's going to be visible open to the top in the engine bay once it's all assembled. Main thing, chief of this kit, is the pleated lifetime ProRam filter, open cone filter here. So hopefully that's going to release a load of noise as well as sucking in loads of nice, clean, cold air. Like I say, CNC cut, bent, etc. The usual spec for RAMAir. This here is all the steel and carbon airbox that's going to go together, and then lastly the intake tube, which is with the adapter for the intake sensor. That will hook up to the pipework in the car, and then all the fittings here. So that just about covers what you get in the box. Stay tuned, I'll get it assembled, we'll see what it looks like and sounds like, most importantly, in the car. So that wraps us up on the intake install this time. As you've just seen and heard, it sounds as good as it looks. So much like with the F56, we're really happy with this kit on the 66. The carbon lid, as you see here, is optional, so you can have that with or without, but of course we're Carbonwurks, so it must be there. Yeah, as you can see, all installed, piece of cake, no problem at all. Keeps the original cold air feed here as well. But otherwise, yeah, exactly as you'd expect from RAMAir. Nice quality, great installation, so really happy. As with all our kits, available on the website. Any questions, drop us an email. Otherwise, until the next F66 development part, like, share, subscribe, stay tuned. Thanks very much.